Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Group 5. We will present our task about the difference between magnetic and optical storage device. Before we present our task, let me introduce myself and my friend. Me, Farah Zulfa Hamidah, and my friend.
Indah Khorinisa.
And me, Jasmine Salsabila Arifah.
Okay, for the first slide, will be continued by Jasmine Salsabila.
Okay, from first, I'm gonna explain what the definition of magnetic and optical storage. Definition of magnetic storage is a circle disc made of a specific material with a surface coated with a magnetizable material. If optical storage is the storage media of discs that stores data using a high-power laser beam to read data on the disk. For the example of magnetic storage is a floppy disk and hard disk. If example from optical storage is a CDR, CDRW, or DVDR. From the next presentation will be continued by Nisa.
I will explain about the difference between magnetic disk and optical disk. First, the magnetic disk is a fixed storage device, whereas optical disk is transportable storage media, which is removable. Second, optical disk generates better signal to noise ratio as compared to magnetic disk. Third, the sample rate used in the magnetic disk is lower than used in the optical disk. Fourth, in the optical disk, the data is sequentially accessed. In contrast, the data in the magnetic disk is randomly accessed. 5. Tracks in the magnetic disk are generally circular, while in the optical disk, the tracks are constructed spirally. 6. Optical disk allows mass replication. On the contrary, in the magnetic disk, only one disk is accessed at a time. 7. The access time of the magnetic disk is lesser than the optical disk. The next presentation will continue by Farah Zulfa Hamidah.
Okay, in here, I will explain about efficiency and advantage between magnetic disk and optical disk. Advantage of magnetic. 1. Data storage of this media is non-volatile, meaning that the data has been stored will not be lost when the computer is turned off. 2. Data on this media can be read, erased, and rewritten. 3. This medium is easy to use. The next, deficiency of magnetic disk. First, the main enemies of magnetic media such as floppy disks and hard disks, are mold and rust. Because of this fungus and rust, the durability or life of this medium is short. 2. This magnetic media is a strip shape, include track and sector, so that the speed and storage capacity is low when compared to optical media. The next slide is advantage of optical and deficiency of optical. Advantage of optical. First, more data can be written into less space. 2. Lightweight, easy to carry, the cheaper it is, doesn't lose data due to magnetic or electrical. 3. It is read-only so that the virus cannot infect the optical disk, include unless there is a virus in storage first. The next, deficiency of optical disk. First, will be difficult to read if scratched or broken. 2. If it is scratched, the risk is that the data will not be read. 3. The memory capacity is smaller than magnetic. To the next presentation by Jasmine Salsabila.
Okay, for the conclusion, there is difference between magnetic disc and optical disc. In fact, it has different advantages and disadvantages. The use of magnetic disc and optical disc depends on the user and according to their individual needs. And for the last, if you have question, you can read below this video. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.